Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to show you how to install our LED interior kits for this 2023 Chevy Colorado. If you haven't seen them already, we now offer vehicle-specific interior kits to upgrade your yellow incandescent bulbs to LED. Inside the kit, you'll find the bulbs you need to install, labeled for each location, 2 trim removal tools, along with a general install guide. Let's jump in the vehicle and show you how to get them installed. Looking up at our map light, you'll see 2 tab indicators. Slide your trim tool between the diffuser and housing to release the clips holding it in place, revealing our bulbs. Now using bulb removal pliers, grab the bulbs firmly and pull directly away from the housing. If you don't have this tool, or you're having trouble getting a good grip on a bulb because it's too hot, grab some electrical tape, create a loop around the bulb to get a good grip, and slide it out of the socket. Next, install your bulbs labeled front map. To help guide them into place, stick the bulb to a loop of electrical tape with the sticky side out. Then, simply snap your lens back on. Moving to the rear, we can repeat the same steps from the front map light. It's just important to note, the reflecting cones will drop down with the lens. As you can see, with our LED interior kit installed, not only will you gain a significant amount of light output, but it will also provide an updated, modern appearance. If you're looking to pick up an interior kit for your ride, or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.